Welcome to 3M's industrial-grade spray adhesive products. Whatever your application, 3M has proven solutions to help get your job done. 3M spray adhesive products are trusted by professionals. Multi-purpose spray adhesives are designed to bond a wide variety of substrates. Applications include temporary holding during assembly and manufacturing, and creating mock-ups, models, and designs made of lightweight materials like paper and cardboard. 3M Super 77 is our most popular multi-purpose spray adhesive. It delivers a fast, aggressive tack with low soak-in, so it does the job cleanly and with professional results. Heavy-duty spray adhesives are designed for tougher jobs and more difficult to bond materials. Applications include high-pressure laminates on tables and edge banding, plastic sign manufacturing, and bonding one large surface to another. 3M High Strength 90 is our most popular go-to heavy-duty adhesive. It bonds to many difficult surfaces and creates an aggressive bond you can trust. It features a three-way adjustable web spray pattern that enhances application precision and efficiency. Foam and fabric spray adhesives are specifically designed to bond foam and fabric materials quickly and cleanly. Applications include chair and seat upholstery, manufacturing vehicle interiors, and laminating foam pieces together. 3M Foam Fast 74 is our most popular product in the foam and fabric series. Its foam tearing strength is stronger than foam. Plus, its soft bond lines make it easy to manufacture a quality product that will not show dimples. Specialty adhesives deliver a high-strength bond on challenging substrates like rubber and vinyl, and many other difficult-to-bond materials. They provide a clean, thin bond line and work best for applications such as rubber door seals in vehicles, construction insulation, and flooring in specialty vehicles. 3M Rubber and Vinyl 80 is our most popular go-to adhesive in our specialty product line. It's heat and plasticizer resistant, which enables you to bond rubber-backed materials such as flooring. Maintenance and cleaning solutions make cleaning up easy. Applications include cleaning and removing grease, dirt, oil, and inks without the need to soak parts, and removal of excess adhesive residue from your work area. 3M Industrial Citrus-Based Cleaner is a popular choice. It cleans and removes adhesive, dirt, grease, and more. 3M makes it easy to select the industrial-grade spray adhesive solution for your assembly and bonding applications. Whether your needs are multi-purpose, heavy-duty, foam and fabric, specialty, or maintenance, we've got you covered.